Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Prezzles snacks is probably one of the most satisfying snacks you can find on the market. These crispy, crunchy pretzels offer a delightful combination of textures and flavors that will keep you coming back for more. Whether you're a fan of classic salted pretzels or prefer something with a little more zest, Prezzles Snacks has something for everyone. So, grab a bag, settle in, and let's dive into the world of Prezzles Snacks. Number 5. Oots Sourdough Nuggets Pretzels, 52 ounces. Barrel. These bite-sized pretzels are perfect for snacking. They're made with aged sourdough and baked to give you a terrific taste in every bite. You'll love the perfect crunch and classic flavor. These sourdough pretzels are incredibly versatile. They're great for dipping in peanut butter, cheese, or enjoying on their own. The possibilities are endless with this snack. This barrel is ideal for any occasion. Whether you're relaxing at home or hosting a party, it's the perfect snack. Plus, the resealable container keeps them fresh. Enjoy a guilt-free snack with zero cholesterol. Keep them at your desk, pack them in lunches, or have them ready for parties. It's a delicious and smart choice. Oots has been making quality snacks since 1921. As a family-managed business, they provide snacks that are crunchier, lighter, fresher, and simply better. Try them today. What we like. These nuggets are perfect for a quick, satisfying snack. If you're looking for a guilt-free treat with a classic sourdough flavor, you should consider these. They're also great for dipping, making them ideal for parties or a cozy night in. What people say. Oots sourdough nuggets deliver a bold, authentic sourdough flavor with a consistently crunchy texture. The sturdy, resealable container is ideal for road trips and boating, easy to pack and holds up well without crushing. The Oots brand pretzels are as good as I have ever had. They are fresh and crunchy. Number 4. Dots Pretzels, 2-pound bag, pack of 2. These are freshly baked gourmet pretzel twists. They have a buttery taste and are covered in a specialty seasoning. The unique seasoning makes it a perfect snack. It's a delightful treat that you won't be able to resist. This pack includes 2 bags, each weighing 2 pounds, packaged for your convenience. It's easy to open and ready to enjoy. It makes entertaining easy. Share them at parties, football games, or social gatherings. This is the perfect snack to share with friends and family. They are sure to be a hit at any event. What we like. These pretzels offer a buttery taste and are perfect for sharing. If you are planning a gathering or simply want a delicious snack to enjoy with friends and family, this is your best choice. They make entertaining easy and enjoyable. What people say. The texture is smoother than other name brands, but still crispy and airy obviously. The seasoning is delicious. Also the bags zip closed so they remain as fresh as the day you receive them. Number 3. Oots Sourdough Specials Pretzels, Original, 63 ounces. Barrel. These pretzels offer a rich sourdough flavor in every bite. They are perfectly baked with just the right amount of salt, making them a delicious and crunchy snack. This snack is perfect for any occasion, and you can enjoy it without any guilt. They have zero cholesterol and are certified kosher, making them a great choice for everyone. These sourdough pretzels are great on their own or paired with your favorite dip. Try them with chocolate, cheese, or honey mustard at your next party. The versatility is endless. The pretzels come in a convenient resealable plastic barrel. This allows you to buy in bulk and snack as you please. Simply snap the cap back on tightly to maintain freshness. If you love the rich sourdough flavor and lighter crunch, then you need these pretzels. They are the perfect snack for any time, and you'll love the satisfying crunch. Oots has been making quality pretzels since 1921. The team works hard to bring family-crafted flavor to their world-class snacks. As a result, they are crunchier, lighter, and fresher, earning smiles generation after generation. What we like. These pretzels deliver a rich sourdough flavor and satisfying crunch. If you like a classic pretzel not with a resealable container, you should consider this. The resealable container keeps them fresh, making them perfect for snacking anytime. What people say. These are just good tasting, fresh and crunchy. These pretzels have great flavor and are just the perfect size to bite into and enjoy. Salted to perfection. They arrived as great shape, only a very few broken pretzels. Number 2. Snack Factory Cheddar Cheese Pretzel Crisps 7.2 ounces. These pretzel crisps are baked with real cheddar cheese. It offers a rich and delicious flavor. You'll love the cheesy taste. These pretzel snacks are thin and crunchy, offering a great gourmet taste. They provide a satisfying cheesy crunch that you'll enjoy. This snack is baked to perfection, ensuring a delicious flavor. The baking process also gives it a hearty crunch. They are perfect for pairing with your favorite dips. You can also top them with more cheese or enjoy them on their own. These pretzels are made from quality ingredients and are non-GMO project verified. You can feel good about what you're eating. The 7.2-ounce bag is resealable, which helps keep your snacks fresh. This ensures they stay tasty for longer. What we like. These pretzel crisps are baked with real cheddar cheese for a rich flavor. If you are looking for a satisfying cheesy crunch, you should consider these. They are perfect on their own or paired with your favorite dips. What people say. The spicy buffalo flavor has just the right punch, not too hot, just tangy and zesty, and the pretzel crisps stay crunchy through every bite. Great balance of flavor and texture, and the non-GMO label is a bonus. Taste great, always fresh and very crunchy. Number 1. Snack Factory Garlic Parmesan Pretzel Crisps 7.2 ounces. Introducing the Snack Factory Garlic Parmesan Pretzel Crisps. They're all fancied up with savory garlic and zingy parmesan. You'll love the delicious flavor. These pretzel thins give you the best part of traditional pretzels without the doughy center. It offers a satisfying crunch in a slim shape. Whether you dip or eat them plain, these crisps are flat out delicious. They pair perfectly with veggie and artichoke dips. Create tasty you gotta burrata bites with these pretzel crackers. Top them with tomato, garlic, basil, and mozzarella. It's quick and easy. This 7.2-ounce bag contains about 7 servings. It's perfect for stashing in your pantry to satisfy your cravings for salty snacks. The resealable bag keeps them fresh. What we like. These pretzel crisps are all fancied up with savory garlic and zingy parmesan. If you like a quick and easy appetizer idea, you should consider this. They're perfect for topping with your favorite ingredients to create tasty bites. What people say. The spicy buffalo flavor has just the right punch, not too hot, just tangy and zesty, and the pretzel crisps stay crunchy through every bite. Great balance of flavor and texture, and the non-GMO label is a bonus. Taste great, always fresh and very crunchy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.